What's up, YouTubers? It's Jerry Allphase Auto, Essex, Maryland. We're going to replace the pads and rotors on this '05 Acura TL. The first thing I'm going to do here is take these two bolts out here, this one and that one. It's going to be 14 millimeter, so get yourself a socket or a wrench and take them out first. Okay, so we got them two bolts out right there in my hand. Put them over here. Now I'm going to take this. Hardware fell down, that's okay. Stick that over here. Now there's two more bolts we got to get out. This one and this one. They're also 14 millimeter also. So I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Okay, got them two bolts out, so just grab the bracket, slide that off. Stick that on a table. I usually pop them off like that. That's the inner pad. I'm going to take the hardware off. Get me a wire brush. Get the dust off of it. Okay. Got our new hardware. Stick that on. Like that. Okay. Got that on there. Stick it on the other one. Okay, got that. Alright, this is the outer pad. Put that in there. They're sitting in there. And make sure the slides are moving. Back and forth. This one I'm actually going to pop out and put some lube on it. I'll take a rag, clean it off. Get some brake lube. I'll rub it around there. Stick it back in there. There we go. That one feels good now. Do the other one. Wipe it down. Get the old grease off of it. Put some new grease on here. Boom. Nice. This is. I usually take a hammer, start tapping it. Once it pops loose, rust is holding it in. There we go. Boom. Okay. Take a look at the shoes. A little thin there. Okay, we're going to stick the rotor on. You want to line it up with the hole. That's a threaded hole. And then this hole has an indentation. Stick it like that. Push it back. The screw's missing on this one, but typically you would take a screw that in, make sure it's real tight. We're gonna go get the caliper bracket, grab that. Okay, I'll put that pad back on in a sec. Let's get a bolt. Let's set the caliper. Set it in there. Okay. Okay, we got the caliper bracket back on there. 2 bolts. Both of them hand tight. 14 millimeters, so tighten those up next. Okay, so we're gonna push the piston back. We got that tightened up there, the caliper bracket. Get yourself a tool, push the piston back. Any brake, any auto parts store has them. So I'll just squeeze the lever so it goes all the way back. I don't want to go back no more, so that's good. Release it. You can see the piston's all the way back. Now we're going to stick it on here. Like that. Let's get our caliper bolts. Start down here. Got that started. And the top one. And that one started. So get yourself a socket, tighten those up. And after that, you're good to go. I'm going to take your wheel, stick that back on there. Always look your torque specs for the wheel lugs. Tighten them. A lot of them are about 80 foot-pounds. But look that up. Torque your wheels. And that's how you do a rotor and a set of pads on a 2005 Acura TL. I'm Jerry, All Phase Auto, Essex, Maryland. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. This is Jerry, All Phase Auto, Essex, Maryland. That's the car behind me. We did the pads and rotors in the rear. Give me a like if you liked the video. Thank you.